Hello, my name is Chris, and today I'm going to review the 2019 Toyota CHR. This vehicle in Canada starts for $24,000 Canadian and tops out at nearly $29,000 Canadian, plus destination, plus taxes, plus our onerous environmental taxes. Offered in 4 trims, base model comes with 4 wheels, a steering wheel, and impressively dual zone climate control and CarPlay only. XLE offers front heated seats, leather steering, 17-inch mags, and Intune, which is fluff roadside connectivity. XLE Premium offers smart key and entry, heated exterior mirrors, power folding mirrors, blind spot and rear traffic alert, and 18-inch mags. Limited adds ambient lighting, leather, front windshield de-icer, rain sensing wipers. I think in this metallic gray, beautiful in person, CHR gives Mazda CX-3 a run for its money in terms of beautiful appearance. The wheel arches bulge out in pleasing muscular forms. Well done, Toyota. Space is compromised in the trunk, though because of its hatch, when you lower the seats, you can carry large objects, and I find this very convenient. There is enough room for me when sitting behind myself, but 6-footers will run out of space very quickly. In front, it is very roomy, and the layout is easy to learn. The steering wheel is nice, soft, but a bit thin, and increasingly, these Toyotas feel more German than Volkswagens in terms of having a rock-solid feel. This is a recent development, and I mentioned this in my previous Toyota reviews. Ross today makes the same remark about this CHR. The sound of the sound system is pretty good, and the head unit is easy to use with convenient knobs. I love simple to use. Toyota Safety Sense P is standard and consists of dynamic cruise, lane departure alert, pre-collision system, and auto high beams. Pretty awesome. The interior does not feel as cheap as some pictures or video may make you think. It is fine. On the road, cabin noise is acceptable, the leather seats are awesome and comfortable for the long run, the power comes on smoothly, and the suspension has a light, dainty feel but is not uncomfortable. I thoroughly enjoyed the ride. This very smooth 2-liter engine has 4 cylinders and makes 144 horsepower and 139 pounds of torque. The Toyota CVT, unlike Nissan CVTs, is bulletproof and contributes to the incredible fuel economy of 8.7 liters in the city despite 18-inch wheels, and a more or less impressive 7.5 liters on the highway. Here are my thoughts on the road. Hello car lovers, driving the 2019 Toyota CHR. This is the all-equipped model. Pretty good catch from Ross. I like trying Toyota products. These are products that people every day can buy. So what about this vehicle? Well, it's better than you think. I thought maybe this was kind of going to be like a gimmicky vehicle. What I mean by that is that it would be all exterior, no interior, so to speak. It couldn't be further from the truth. We'll start with the exterior though. The exterior styling is wonderful. It's at a nice height. It's a bit bigger than a hatchback, but not quite a compact SUV, it seems. In front, we have lots of room here. I would say we're very close to the HRV in terms of front passenger room. However, in back, a little bit less room. I'd say we're not at CX-3 level, but we're closer to CX-3 than we are to HRV. Rear storage is limited. If you do remove the cover, it could be better. There is a sloping roof design. That's the price you pay for styling. What's it like to drive? Very comfortable. Not quite as comfortable as HRV perhaps, but much more comfortable than CX-3. It does somewhat hop over bumps, but never uncomfortably so, and that's nice. The engine for this class of vehicle is sufficient. The CVT transmission, of course, is droney, but you only feel that under hard acceleration. Merging here on the highway, I'm doing okay. And also, the road noise is an acceptable level. It's not dead quiet here, but it's certainly comparable to its competitors, if not perhaps a bit better. So pretty good on that front. The sound system plays well. The Toyota head unit is relatively easy enough to use. There are hard buttons here for the volume and the tune, which is nice. There are hard buttons for the climate control, which is nice. If your screen gives out, you don't have to worry about not turning on the heat or the AC. Nice, perhaps thin steering wheel. The seats are very comfortable, and there's lots of cubbies here for your crap. A big one here for your for a big Starbucks. So pretty good, I'd say. Driving around, it's not that sporty. I mean, these vehicles aren't sporty, but it does feel kind of lively. Don't forget, Toyota, you're always paying a little more for that reliability. However, unlike Toyotas from before, you don't feel too much of a sacrifice here on the inside in terms of the interior quality. Ross makes the intelligent remark. He says this Toyota, and along with the previous Toyotas we've tried recently, are essentially rattle-free, built like a tank, which is nice. They've worked on that. So those are my thoughts. Recommendable on the lease, highly recommendable on the purchase. And that is the review. By the way, if you like this video, like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. And if you really like this video, you should subscribe. And that is it.